Hello, YouTube. This is Jerry D in Tennessee. Lonely in Tennessee. It's just me. Anyway, let's talk about some stocks. Blue Spear. I've been talking about Blue Spear a lot. Blue Spear, it never ceases to amaze me. It is on a steady trend up. Where it's going to stop, I don't know. I really don't know. I'm still in this stock. But it's interesting. It went up today. This is Monday, January 19th, 2021. So this is a clean energy stock. This is actually a crap stock. Can I say that? I guess I can say that. I do not mean that in a negative way. They take animal waste and they turn it into energy. They process the animal waste, create methane gas, and sell the methane gas. That's what they're doing in North Carolina. They've got some kind of contract that was supposed to have started in December, and as far as I know, they're waiting to release some news. They're a little slow about getting stuff out, but the stock is slowly creeping up. The election's over with. The dust is trying to settle on the election. I don't know if it's going to, with all the stuff that's been going on in the media and the news and stuff. I'm getting tired of hearing of it. I'd like everything to settle down, and hopefully we can get through this COVID. COVID's not going to be out of here for a while either. COVID's not settled down. But that's where the biotech stocks are coming in, and they're coming out with vaccines and stuff, and they've been doing pretty good, several of them. But anyway, let's get back to Blue Spear. Blue Spear, let's look at the day range today. At opening, the price of the stock was 0065. Okay, just above a half a cent. Okay, by closing today, the stock was up to 3 cents a share. 450% gain on this stock in one day. And that's not talking about the gains we've had the whole month. I mean, it's unbelievable. This stock was originally 0.0002 thousandths of a cent, and it's up to 3 cents in a month. So there's a lot of happy. You can see the activity down here, the bar chart down here on the volume. It's had some trading. It started out heavy as it was going up, and then now it's kind of slowing down a little bit. But the price is still creeping up. It was choppy today, and it's still on a steady trend going up. Let's look at the big chart. And go back, because I was looking at the 5 years to see where it had been. It had been like $10, $12 5 years ago. I'd like to see it get back up there. Now that the election's over with, and the nation's kind of gearing up to get focused on saving energy and clean energy and green, being green, more planet-friendly businesses. I see these stocks going on up, and you see it's just a slow creep. It's not a real sharp creep, except for right here at the end. It jumped from like 2.5 cents to 3 cents real quick. People jumping into the stock. Let's go to the largest chart here. So let's technical indicators, upper weighted moving average. You can see it's still trending up. Lower indicators, MACD still trending up right here at the close. Let's go with one more. Come on. Gotta click on it. Oh, come on. It doesn't want to stay open. Where's RSI at? There's RSI. RSI's trending up. So all three of those is moving up at the very end. So it'll be interesting what it does tomorrow. I didn't think it would hit a dime till the summer. because I thought it was kind of creeping up kind of slow. It's been really choppy, as you can see right here. But there at the last, there was people bought in, and I mean, I guess end of the day panic. I don't know what you want to call it, but it held at 3 cents, or it ended the day at 3 cents. So as fast as it's hit 3 cents, it might hit 10 cents pretty quick. And once it hits 10 cents, who knows what it'll do? I'd like to see it hit $1 or $2 a share. That would be really nice, because it's just been a few years back. If I go back, let's go back again to 5 years. 2017, 1081 right here, and then if you go right here to this peak, it's like $11.96, almost $12 a share. So I'd like to see this stock bounce. It may not. Obviously I can't control what this stock does, but you can see from the chart it is gradually trending up, and I'm hoping the rest of the stock market will do the same thing now that the election's over with, and Joe Biden's going to be sworn into office, and and I'm not going to get political about this. I mean, there's been a lot of stuff going on over this election. It's crazy. COVID's not helped none this past year either. Hopefully this year will get better. I hope this year is a lot better than last year, because last year it's just not there's a lot of bad things that's happened this past year, especially with this COVID and the shutdown and stuff. And hopefully this year will be a better year. It's coming up for a rough start. I'll give it that. It's starting off rough, but I hope it gets better. But 3 cents is what it ended the day. Let's close this back up. I feel good about this stock. I really think it's going to do something. But, I mean, you don't know. You really don't know. It's going to depend on who's buying into this stock. Time's going to tell. Only thing, time will tell. I'm not going to promise anybody. I know I'd like to see it go to $1 or $2 a share. I'd like to see it hit 10 cents a share pretty soon. But you don't know till it doesn't. Okay? You really don't know. And hopefully, I'm hoping the company will turn around and release some news. I'd like to see this company, if it starts doing well, I'd like to see this company turn around and pay dividends. I will really be in it for the long haul. If they turn around and they start paying dividends, I'll just set some money in there, because right now dividends are going to pay you more than savings in a bank is going to pay you off a stock. You can make more money just pulling dividends off of a stock. If you go and pick the right stocks, pick some good stocks that's stable. Dividends is not a bad idea to go. I mean, to grow your money. Now, this right here is not a bad way to go either. I mean, you get into the stock as the price is going up. Excuse me. Isn't my allergies just tore up? Anyway, it's pretty impressive what it did today. I didn't think it would hit 3 cents today. But it did, and we'll see how it holds. If it looks like it's wanting to hold its price, if everybody will do their part to investors, and don't just dump your stock all at once and start taking the bids to get out of the stock. If you're going to try to make money on this stock, the right strategy not to hurt the stock is to sell in the strength of the spike. Okay, if you're going to make money, sell into the strength of the spike, and the buyers need to buy into the strength of the spike at the same time, and the price of this stock will grow over time. I mean, that's how Amazon. People's been so desperate to get into Amazon, they're paying the ask price. they're not going and holding on the bid trying to get people to drop the price. They're paying the ass price to get into the stock. And I think probably what would help this stock, if Blue Sphere can get into a position where they can pay dividends to the stockholders. But right now they may have, it just depends on what the revenues are on the company. Yeah, I'm going to start down the road that I really can't speak on. So, but I wouldn't like to see dividends out of this stock. I think this stock could be a household name just because it's a clean energy. They're taking animal waste, turning it into energy, processing the animal waste and creating methane gas. And that's just one of them. They're doing biodiesel too with, I don't know if it's called switchgrass. I know the university has a farm out here in Baltimore, and they were doing that too. They were one of the professors, I think. I don't know if it's a project for chemistry or what, but UT has a farm, and they're generating biodiesel too. But anyway, yeah, I'm very happy with today how this stock just started the week out. That makes for a promising week for the stock to go up like that. So hopefully we'll continue to see this going on. Hopefully there'll be a slow, steady climb into 10 cents, maybe eventually into $1 or $2. Will it hit $1 or $2 this year? I don't know. It might hit a certain point and it may just level out and kind of stay at a price for a while. So it's hard to say. Some stocks do that. They'll spike and they'll go up in price, gradually go up. And some of them will hit a certain price and then it'll level off for a while before it'll do anything. So we'll see. We'll see. I'd like to see it keep going up. It would be really nice if it does. All right, let's move on to HempStreet Incorporated. This is another stock I have an eye on. So they went up 37% today. They started out at 50 cents and went up to 72, 72, almost 73 cents. 72 and 8/10 cents. So this is a CBD company, HempStreet. It's a new startup company. And they released news on January 5th. They've completed their first round of CBD extraction. They've got a number of products. And I was excited. I'm in this stock as well. I was excited to see this little sharp, that's a pretty sharp spike. But I was already in this stock. I've been in this stock for a little while. And it went up yesterday. Was it yesterday? Yeah, it was yesterday. Right at about the closing. And it's been a little choppy today. Not yesterday. It wasn't open yesterday. Why did it say the 118? They had to be... Oh, that was open this morning. Excuse me, my bad. It's been a long day. I guess I'm having a senior moment, folks. All right, so this is where it was at closing. Now I'm on the right page. All right, about 50 cents a share, and then it jumped up to 68 and a half cents. Thereabouts, a little over 68 and a half cents there. At the first of the day today, it jumped up. So maybe this one's on the trend up. It looks like it was starting the 5-day trend. It was like gradually working itself up. And, with the Democrats in office, I'm expecting more of an acceptance for CBD in the markets. So we'll see what'll happen. I expect it's the Democrats are probably going to be more toward the CBD products and release out to the public. So we'll see. We'll see. There's a lot of good stuff. There's been a lot of testing about CBD, especially for people that have joint pain and stuff like that. The thing is the process this thing to where it doesn't have THC, where you don't get the high off of it, but you're going to receive the benefits of the getting, eliminating pain. And this is a natural way to eliminate pain. And they're looking at different type of. Somebody had a patch, I think. There's maybe this is the company that had the patch. I can't remember. But anyway, this is one of the companies I expect to start doing well. Looks like the price has already went up today. So we'll see how this pans out. This is HPST HempStreet Incorporated. Here's another one I've been watching for a long time. MGON's been an interesting stock. It went up 33% today. Let's see. Yeah. So day range 0.0169 went up to 2 cents today. So you can see there's a steady, the 5-day chart, it's a steady going up. It got a little, this is over the weekend again. It's interesting the way that chart goes. I wish they just cut out the weekend and just continue the chart on up. That's a little weird. But the weekend does exist. So anyway, so we had a spike today on the opening, and it's gone on up, and that's a good sign. I've seen this spike several times. I was in this stock. What was it? Is it 0.0042? I think is what it when I first got into this stock, and it spiked almost 3 cents a share, and I missed selling out. I would have jumped out of the stock real quick and did a dip buy to get back into it, but I missed it, and I would have made $5,000 if I could have sold. A friend of mine said, "You need to buy into this stock. This stock's going to go places." And it's like the next day he's calling me at lunch. "Well, did you sell? Did you sell?" And it's like, "What do you mean?" He said, "It spiked at lunch." And I got looking at the chart, and yeah, it had spiked. So this is another CBD company. They've redone their website. They had something to do with horse breeding too. They've got farms, and I think they were breeding horses, but they've completely taken all of that horse livestock stuff off their website with redoing the site. So Balance Today All Natural Hemp Extract is one of their products. They've got Genie brands, and they've got a coffee, CBDcoffeeforyou.ca. So Magola is a Nevada corporation, and with its corporate office located in Bonita Springs, Florida, and traded under the symbol MGON on the OTC market. Magola is a consortium group of health technologies and service company. So I expect this stock to do well. I think, like I said, I've seen it spike several times. This is a long hold for me. You hear about Warren Buffett, and I believe a lot of his money has been made by holding long on stocks. I think he's dead set against options trading too, but he doesn't like computers either. But over time, I believe this stock, the price on this stock is going to move on up. I mean, it's hit 2 cents, so it's right under where Blue Spear was today. You see where Blue Spear jumped to 3. So I can see where they're going to go on up. They're starting to work their way up on the price. I think the stock has a lot of potential for some earnings. So let's move on to another one. Rocky Mountain High Brands. They had this drink, Hemp D, and I have tried their product, and it was a pretty tasty drink. The dragon fruit was pretty good, and I think they had an apple. It might have been the other one that I tried that had apple. It might have been Kona Gold, the other CBD drink. But they have, I think they had a peach drink. They had different flavors, and they were on Amazon, but now on Amazon, you can't get their drinks, and I wonder if it's because of the shutdown from COVID has killed production, so they're not able to get product out. So I'd say that's hurt a lot of companies. This is a new company. It's getting a new startup. So COVID's been hard on a lot of companies, and hopefully, I'm hoping this thing will go ahead and take off now with the rest of the CBD market. So the price today was like 0.035, and it spiked up to 4, almost 5 cents. No, yeah, 496. Yeah, that's it right there. So day range 3 cents. That jumped up over a penny, almost 2 cents. It almost jumped up 2 cents. So it's creeping up as well. It's moving up. It jumped up. There's a reason. I don't know. Maybe a reason. Did they have news? Let's scroll down and see if any news is listed under here under snapshot. No news. They have a YouTube channel too that they were releasing. They were actually pretty steadily. If you go and look for Rocky Mountain High Brands on YouTube, they were releasing like weekly, maybe not every day, at least weekly videos on the progress of the company, what they were doing. And then after COVID hit, they kind of quit the videos. So, and I don't know if it's because of the shutdown. It might have been a little bit before COVID, before they started shutting stuff down. Some reason they quit coming out with the videos, and I hadn't seen any videos posted in a while. But they are still posting. They have a Facebook page, and they are still posting on Facebook. So, September was the last time. Some exciting things coming in the very near future for Rocky Mountain High Brand. But they may be, I don't know. They are in a warehouse. They did a video. Yeah, they did a video with this guy here. He was managing a warehouse. They have a warehouse in Mexico, I believe. So, there's the CEO. And these are the drinks. That one's the dragon fruit. I think it's a peach, coconut. Never did try the coconut. I tried the peach and the dragon fruit, and I liked both of those. I never did do the coconut, and I don't know if this might be a lemon, strawberry flavor. I'm not sure. So, anyway, this is another company, Rocky Mountain High Brands. There's been a lot of the stock holders are a little upset because they've been quiet. They were very transparent for a good while when I first started watching this stock, and then like I said, it might be because of COVID or whatever, or maybe they're just trying to get things worked out, trying to get because they're working on new products. They've got water. They have the CBD water. They have another kind of water. It's like a healthy water. I think it's just plain water. But they've got several different products that they're coming out with. So this is the Hemp D site. Eagle Spring water. I think it's just regular water. I don't think that's CBD water. The Hemp D, they've got gummies, CBD gummies. These are the drinks, carbonated drinks, the infused waters. Pineapple coconut, yeah. That's I think I did try pineapple coconut. I think that was good. It's been a while since I bought any of the products because I hadn't been able to get it. There for a while, it was on regular. I could have that shipped off of Amazon pretty quick and get it. But dragon fruit, peach mango, pineapple coconut, raspberry lemonade. I've not tried the raspberry lemonade. I think I've tried the pineapple coconut, and that's like a pina colada type flavor. Dragon fruit was pretty good, and the peach mango wasn't bad at all. So, what if we go in the shop? $12-pack infused waters. So they don't have any of the CBD drinks. Well, I guess that is this is CBD, non-carbonated. Does it say? Yeah, I guess hemp D infused waters. This has got to be CBD, but that's not the same packaging unless they've changed the packaging of. They have changed the packaging, haven't they? That's what they've done. It's a little pricey too. I was paying $50 for 12-pack. So yeah, it's kind of pricey, and I think I expect the price will go down as they start really. Yeah, that's kind of weird. They've changed their packaging. Is what they've done. So they've got the lotions, CBD lotions, and the gummies if you want to take the gummies. So can't even talk this evening. But that's another one I feel like it'll do very well. What else? Kona Gold. I did. Kona Gold. That's the other one. Their drinks are actually pretty good too. KonaGoldHemp.com. This is the one that had the apple drink. That apple is candy apple drink is good. And there was another one I liked. What was it? Energy drinks. Not the grapefruit. Yeah, candy apple hemp. That is a good drink. Cherry, yeah, cherry vanilla is good. I've tried the candy apple, the cherry vanilla, and this platinum was good. I think I tried the candy, the cotton candy. Cotton candy's okay, but it's like you're drinking sugar, and I don't think there's any sugar in this. I don't see anything on the ingredients. Well, maybe there is, and maybe I thought they had sugar free, so they do have a special sugar free, and I think I've tried this one too. The sugar free. I thought I tried one that said it was sugar free. Okay, so these may not be sugar free. But anyway, this is another one. Stock symbol. Let's go back. I'll just go to an open one here. Let's go to KGKG. I think it's what it is. KGKG. Kona Gold. Kona Gold. Well, it looks like they went down 5 days. What it looked like for 5 days. So the chart's not looking as good as the other ones. It's been a while since I've looked in the Kona Gold. I'm sitting on this stock too. Did they release any analysis effectiveness of Form S1 registration statement? January 4th. Form 8A also become effective. The company's class of common stock is now registered under Section 12G of the Securities Exchange. The company has now become a fully fully reporting issuer. So they are as of December. Did I read that right? Right here. As of December 31st, 2020, they are now a real stock. Upon the effectiveness of the S1 registration, the company received the final tranche of $1 million from the security purchase agreement. So, okay. So they're actually, I guess they're trying to get listed on NASDAQ, company class of common stock. The company's class of common stock, now registered under section of the Securities Exchange Act, SEC, is now become a fully reporting issuer. So I think and granted a warrant pursuant to May 14, 2020 security. I'll have to read up on that. It's been a while since I've looked at them. I've been holding this stock for a while, so I probably really need to look at this stock and see what it's doing. Let's go out to see what 3 months. So they've had some up and downs. COVID's probably affected them too. I mean, COVID's affected all the stock market. So you can go out to year to date and see where the price is headed on the stock, on a lot of the stocks. So slowly trending up, but they've been up and down. And yeah. 3 cents. They've probably been choppy. So if you start looking at one day, the price has just been choppy, been up and down, so up and downs, like everybody else. So they're on the downward. So this might be a good time to buy into them. I'm not telling anybody to buy into this stock. Today on the day, it's down 7%. But again, I'm not a stock advisor. I'm not a financial advisor. But this is another CBD stock. They sell product. I have bought this product off of Amazon, so you can buy this. This does not have. I mean, it's got the legal restrictions of the THC in the drink. They filtered out the THC or whatever they do. I don't know. I'm not sure how they process the drink to get it there, but there's a lot of testing that has to go on, and this is just CBD drink. You will not get a high off of this drink. So, but this is, I mean, they were slowly, all this is coming to fruition. We're seeing more and more of these products. This company, they're focused, the last few news releases I've read about this company wants to be in all the little quick market gas stations and stuff. You know, little gas stations on the interstate stuff. This is like a sports drink. So, yeah, and they're advertising their drinks to be, help you to be more focused on your sport. And with the CBD, it's supposed to take care of your muscle aches and joints aches while you're, playing your sports and stuff. So, I mean, we're headed that way. We're headed that way. This is going to be a common product. CBD is going to be a common product in all the stores. It's just coming. The handwriting's on the wall. You can see I've listed 3 products right here that are out on the market, and they're here. I don't think they're going anywhere. And there's more and more approval in the states, and it's just this is our new world we're living in. But this should not the CBD products, if you're interested or if you want to know more, I mean, some people think CBD is terrible. They associate it with marijuana. The THC, they grow this stuff and they process it to try to eliminate every bit of the THC they can. And I believe the government is, I think they're restricted. Actually, there've been some farms here in our area here in Tennessee where they're growing the product, okay? But you have to grow it a certain way, and there's testing. So if they come out and test your farm and they find a certain level of THC and it's found that a person can smoke this leaf and get high off of it, they burn the whole crop. That's what they burn the whole crop. I've heard stories about this around here in the area. There's a few farms where this has happened in my area. They will burn. They will come in. They will take in the whole crop and they will burn the whole crop. They will get rid of it because they do not want the plant out in the public. They do not want it sold for you to get high off of. Just the medicinal qualities of the plant is what they want. So, and there's been some farmers that's lost a good bit of money over that. So there's a process, there's a trick to growing this where it is legal to grow and sell. And if you don't follow the process and they come in and they measure the THC and the THC is too high a level, the government is going to say, no, you're not selling this product. We need to destroy the product. And yeah. So there are some restrictions getting placed on this stuff. This is not just the people just growing this stuff in the wild. This is being controlled, how this stuff is getting grown and made out in the public or released out to the public. So anyway, I want to quit ranting and raving. I appreciate you visiting my channel, and I appreciate if you could smash the like button and help my ratings on the channel. And it looks like I'm gaining, I'm over 100 viewers in a day. I was at 90 yesterday. I gained 10 more people. I was like at 91, 92 yesterday, and today I'm like at 100 and 102. I appreciate everybody subscribing to my channel. It makes me feel good about doing the videos. I enjoy doing the videos. I enjoy talking about the stocks. I enjoy looking at the stocks that spike. That's what amazes me, is how these stocks can spike. But I hope I haven't bored anybody. Again, I think these, if you go into the industries like this, is some of these CBD industries are medicinal. I mean, like to help regulate pain and stuff, joint pain, muscle pain. A sport drink's supposed to help with your muscle pain. But anyway, thanks for watching my video. I'm about to get back on a rant, wasn't I? Smash the like button and hit the bell to be notified when I come out with a new video. Also, I'd love for you to subscribe to the channel because I'm going to come out with more videos. Like I said, this is one of my passions. This is what I do. I'm not a stock advisor. I'm not a financial advisor. I'm not telling you to buy into these stocks. These are stocks I have bought into and I am interested in, and I'm just talking about them, let people know about these stocks. But if you do invest in them, go do your own research, read about the companies, about their products. Do like me. I ordered the product and tried it on some of these stocks, just to verify this is a real company. What do I think about the product? Is it good? Do I think it's a good quality product? So do your research, do your own research, convince yourself that this is a good investment before you invest. Do not follow my trades. Do not follow anybody's trades. Go and make your own judgments, because you just blindly follow somebody, you could get stuck in a stock. I have before, just by following somebody. Somebody said, hey, this is a good stock, and I've got stuck in it. Especially if you get off of Twitter. Look at the price action of what the stock is going into when you invest in the stock. Like this one's on the downswing, so this might be. I do my research first, but looks like the price has come down, and it might be time to buy into this stock before it starts trending up, or as it starts trending up. If you watch it over the next 5 days, next month or so, and it starts moving up, maybe that's the time to move into it. Buy some shares into it as the stock price is moving up. Watch it move up, like these other stocks that I talked about. This slowly has an upward curve going up. So, yeah, I'd wait to see if it goes any lower, and if it starts moving on up again, I'd buy in before it gets up too high. So I think this stock will do well. I like the product. I've tried it. I think this company, if Corona doesn't take it out, I mean, there's a lot of companies hurting right now because they've had to shut down and they can't get product out. So we'll see what happens. We will see what happens. But again, thanks for visiting my video, watching my video. I hope to see you in the next video. Like I said, smash the like button, subscribe, hit the bell to be notified of my next video, and we'll see you. We'll see you in the next video. Hope you have a good night, and good luck with your investments. Thank you. Bye. Hey, thanks for coming by. Glad you checked out the video. Hope you liked it. If you like it, please click on the like button. And if you're not subscribed to the channel, would like to invite you to subscribe to my channel. May God bless you, and I hope you have a good day. Bye.